Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry for joining late. Okay, sorry for joining late. I was wanting to join fast, but late. Okay. Kanishka, congratulations for 1K subscribers. Thank you, Kanishka. Thank you, everyone. This subscribers is not because of me. It's because of all of you, huh? It's not me, beta. It's all of you. Okay, fine. Shall we start the class now? Shall we start the class? Okay, listen, one thing. Last class we were talking about great. Wow, nice, super. I was about to start energy and what to do? Screen is blur for me. Is it visible to you? Keshav, ma'am, tomorrow please keep class at morning. What time you say? I'll keep the class that time only. Tell what time you want class. I'll keep the class that time only. Hard work is left. Congratulations for 1K subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you. Listen, first let me talk some important work. Then we will start the class. Tomorrow morning 6 a.m. You want me to wake up in morning, huh? Okay, fine. I'll wake up. I'll teach you morning. Ready? Today? Ready, everyone? 6 a.m. morning. Okay. Okay. I'll be available. Whatever time you will be saying, auntie, keep that class in that time. I'll be ready that time. No problem. Fine. So whatever time you will be telling, I'll take the class that time. But right now it's my time. I have to ask some questions from all of you. Okay, last class we were talking about. Shall we start? Okay, Jiva now started. 6 o'clock, 6:20, 6:30, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Which time? You have school now. So I think 6 o'clock will be better. 6 to 8:30 or 6 to 8. Whichever wish. Your wish. I'll be available. I'll be available. 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Whatever your wish is. Yes, ma'am. 6 o'clock. Fine. Tomorrow I think I'll start chemistry and maths. Tomorrow maths and chemistry will be there. Today I'm going to teach you probability in maths. Hi Sundaram. Keshav, yes ma'am, we can start. 100% you can start. Fine. Okay, fine. Now listen. I was discussing about work is equal to force into displacement. To let somebody work, what you have to do? You have to allow force into displacement. Hard work, ma'am. In Delhi, schools are closed. And what's going on in the south? South also school is closed. I'm in vacation right now. Online fully. Okay, what is your name? I forgot your name. If you will tell your name, I'll be able to take your name and say. Fine. Now look here. Work is equal to force into displacement. I have to start. So if you will tell your name, I'll call out your name. Except Maharashtra, Keshav. Okay. Now who is from Maharashtra right now? Fine, shall I? Anamika. Okay, Anamika. I'm so sorry. I forgot your name. So sorry, Anamika. Okay, I know what is going to be the situation. We don't know. We have to prepare for the best. Fine. So what we are going to do is we will be preparing for our best, and whatever mode of examination will be there, online, offline. If preparation is okay, I believe we can be able to handle any level questions. Okay. Fine. Shall we start? So now I was discussing about work. Work is equal to force into displacement. I think everyone is now. I think lots of students have not joined till now. They are not in. Okay. So sorry. Now listen. We were discussing about work is equal to force and force into displacement. We came to know that work done is positive also, work done is negative also, and work done will be 0. Okay. Now just let me check how much you remembered, how much you have studied, you are remembering or not. Okay. Shall we start with some old questions like what is exactly work done? What is work done? I'm not asking that you are going to say that today I brushed my teeth, I took bath, and these all my work. No, no, that is not work. I like my YouTube name as it motivates me to take, so that's why I'm not changing my channel name. Okay, so your real name is not Anamika, huh? It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Your real name is not Anamika. No problem. Fine. Now listen, I'm just discussing very important thing. Now come on, tell me, you did your day-to-day work. Is that work in physics or work is something else in physics? Come on, product of force into displacement. So I'm standing in one place and teaching you. Right now, am I doing any work? Right now, am I doing any work? Product of force into displacement? Yes, ma'am, my name is Anamika. Okay, Anamika. Vishal, force into displacement. I can understand it is force into displacement, but exactly I'm asking something like, I have given you some examples like today you brushed your teeth, you are studying. I'm standing in one place right now. You just take my example right now. I'm standing in one place and I'm teaching you. Am I doing any work? Am I doing any work in physics? Am I doing any work in physics? According to physics, work done is force into displacement. Okay, so work done will be equal to force into displacement. If any one of it will be missing, means the story is missing. Why? Because if I want, I'm saying that, okay, I'm not changing. Okay, fine, hard work. Listen, Anamika, it's okay, beta. Shall we start? We are going to discuss many things today. Like if somebody will be forcing you, like if I kicked you and you moved, that means what? Means I pushed you. Kicking is not the correct word. If I'm going to push you and you are moving forward, that means you have done a work. Why? Because I applied force on you. Okay, I applied force on you and you have displacement. So when a body will undergo external force, and according to the external force, the body will have displacement, and according to external force, the body will have displacement, then the body is exactly said to done work. The body is doing work. The body is doing what? The body is doing work. But if there is force application, means I am applying, like I kept a piece of I kept one very big stone in my home and I'm just wanting to push it one day and I'm unable to push it. Did I did any work at the time? At that time when I'm wanting to push, Naresh, hello ma'am, sorry for coming late. I'm sorry Naresh, I told you I'm going to take class at 3, but due to some work I was unable to start class at 3. I'm so sorry, beta. Okay, now listen. So that means what? One simple thing is that ki when we are talking about work, we understood that ki when an object will move by application of force, that means work is done. If the object is not moving by application of force means it will not have displacement. That means there is no work done. That means there is no work done. Zero displacement means no work done. One more example I have taken. Vertical displacement. Vertical displacement we were talking about. If you will think about vertical displacement, can you tell me, is there any work when an object is going up or down? When an object is going up or down, is there any displacement? Vertical displacement we were talking about. Lift means you are standing inside lift and you are going up. No work, Ashwin. Yes, Ekta, good evening. Sorry, good afternoon, Ekta. Is it good afternoon or good evening? I forgot everything. Okay, it's good evening. Fine. Okay. When up, negative, work done. Fine. So that means we have to understand that some special cases are there. So when a coolie is exactly holding a bag, on his head. A coolie is holding a bag on his head. Is he doing any work? A coolie is holding a bag on his head. Is he doing any work? A coolie is holding a bag on his head. Is he doing any work? Is he doing any work when a coolie is holding bag in his head? On his head? No work done. Fine. No. Absolute. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some numericals, and based on that numericals you have to start answering. Okay, just first question is, get ready everyone. In displacing a body in displacing a body 5m by a force 50 Newton, the work done is 125 joule. Find out the angle between direction of force and displacement. Find out the angle between direction of force and displacement. Find out the angle between direction of force and displacement. Good evening, Darshani. 250 joules. Angle I'm asking. I'm not asking about work. See, look here. I'm not asking about work. I'm asking about angle. Think about it. I gave you one formula, that is, okay, coolie means the person who is carrying your luggage in the railway platform. Okay. I don't know in Tamil what we call them. So Fs cos theta. Okay, Fs cos theta. So this is the formula. Work done is equal to Fs cos theta is there. Now I'm just wanting you to say the angle here. Keshav. Yes, Fs cos theta is going to be Keshav, and I'm giving you some values. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree will be equal to 1 by 2, and cos 45 degree will be equal to 1 by root 2. So now see, look here, I already told you when work and displacement will be when work and displacement will be there, inclination angle will be there. At that particular moment we will be seeing that first is force applied will be somewhere, that is F cos theta. Already that day we discussed. Okay, now this will be F sin theta. F sin theta. F cos theta, F sin theta will be there. Real force will be this direction. Fine, and this is the angle. So right now force in displacing a body 5 meter by a force 50 Newton. So exactly what you are doing here is, many a times what we are doing is we are pushing something and the body is moving forward. We are pulling something and the body is coming towards you. But sometimes what happens, you are applying a force like this and the body will have displacement in this direction. Okay, the angle is 60 degree, cos 60 degree. Did you got it? Okay, fine. Let's check this one out. Let's check this one out, Keshav. I'm going to check this one. So now here F cos theta will be there. So now F cos theta, F sin theta is there. So now sometimes what happens when you are applying force like this and allowing the body to move towards you. Fine. So the direction of force will be exactly, see, force applied will be here and displacement is in this direction. Fine. Displacement is this direction, application of force here. So that means between force and displacement there is an angle. That angle is considered as theta. So at that particular moment work done will become W is equal to Fs cos theta. Now everything is given to you. You only have to do one thing, and that is to take out what is this angle is. So now here you have to take out what is this angle is about. So this angle value only you have to find. This angle value only you have to find. Ashwin, half is coming. Let's check that one, Ashwin. So in displacing a body 5 meter by a force of 50 Newton. So displacement is given how much? 5 meter. Force is given 50 Newton. And after that work done is given as 125 joule. So exactly back to back everything they have given. Now we have to find theta. So what we are going to do is, no need to write unit here. Just shift this one down. Shift this one down. 125 by 5 into 50 equal to cos theta, because we have to find angle. So 5, 25, then 5 tens are 55. So it is coming as 1 by 2. So cos theta is coming as 1 by 2. I told you cos theta When it is 1 by 2 means cos 60 degree. So 1 by 2 means cos theta equal to 1 by 2 means cos 60 degree. When trigonometric ratio will be same, then only you can think of eliminating, otherwise don't think of elimination. Okay, so theta will be equal to 60 degree. Theta will be equal to 60 degree, numerical over. So this was the question which was exactly going to be tough if you don't know the values. Come on, tell me quickly, understood this one? Tough or easy question? Purely based on formula, nothing new to do. Purely based on formula, nothing new. Yes, Ashwin, half is there. If you are knowing that cos 30 degree is exactly going to come as, cos 30 is exactly coming as root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 degree is coming as 1 by 2, then you will be able to do it nicely. Proper justification will be there. You will be able to solve it nicely. I hope you might have understood this question. Shall we go for next question, please? Shall we start? Shall we start next question? You didn't understood the meaning of cos theta. Fine. Now listen. Okay, you didn't understood the meaning of cos theta. Exactly, cos theta means here. Can you give same type question on more? What, one more time, ma'am? Okay, fine. I'll try to give you same type question. You want degree related questions. I don't have right now degree, only one question I had. So I have given you degree related questions. Only one thing is there. Work done will change. Angles will change. Don't worry about it. Okay. Means public demand. So I have to do it. So I have to give you the questions. Just change the question. Everything will be same. Everything will be same. In displacing a body of 5 meter. So what we are going to do is, we are going to write in displacing a body of 5 root 2 meter. Okay, 5 root 2 meter, a force of 25 Newton. A force of 25 Newton is applied. The work done is 125 joule. Find the angle between direction of force and displacement. Try this question out. Darshini, I am going to explain your point. See, listen. One simple thing is that, Darshu, when we talk about angle is what beta here. Ma'am, I can't understand the meaning of cos theta. I can't understand the meaning of cos theta. Beta, in trigonometry, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, tan theta, cos theta, cosecant theta, secant theta. Okay, so now like tan, sin, cos, secant, cosecant, cotangent, they are exactly what? They are different trigonometric ratios. Okay, now here we are applying cos theta because the body is exactly here. Sin theta is also there, cos theta is also there, but exactly your force application is here and body displacement is here. Since the body is displacing here, and we know that cos theta is exactly base by hypotenuse. This is base and this is hypotenuse. So cos is connected to base. If you want to understand in a most simple way, then understand cos is connected to base. So that's why, and perpendicular is means sin theta is connected to perpendicular, means sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Because of this, what we can do here is, we can just write there B. So here B, baseline is there. So the body is having displacement towards the base. Because of that, we are writing F cos theta. Because of that, we are writing F cos theta. I am just asking what is the angle there. Value I understood, it is going to be 1 by root 2, no problem. Angle is 45 degree. Vishal has given the answer. And then Keshav, then Ashwin, and then Rahul. Very good, well done. But Darshini, did you understood this point? Darshini, come on, quickly say, beta, did you understood what is the meaning of cos theta here? Cos theta is one of a trigonometric ratio. Cos theta is nothing but one of a trigonometric ratio. Okay, just tell me you understood or not, so that I can proceed further. Tell me fast. Okay, Darshu. So that means what we are going to do here is directly means no change is there. Now see, look here. Only one small work I have done, and that is everything remains the same. Now exactly what is given is forces. So displacement here is 5 root 2 meter, and force here is 25 Newton. Now work done given is, I didn't change work done, it is coming as 125 joule. So now formula wise you just have to write cos theta. For understanding, you take it as cos theta is exactly coming base by hypotenuse. So it is coming in the lower part, base part is coming here. So only I have written here cos theta section. It is exactly going to come like this. Okay, so this is base region, force is here. So only a base part is written as Fs cos theta. Just understand one small thing. If you are so keen to understand the entire concept, then understand this is the force application, and this is base, and we don't know the displacement is towards the base, and this is exactly theta. So what you can write here is cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. We know that when right angle triangle will be there, so this part will become hypotenuse. So this part is going to write as hypotenuse beta. So now what is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is force applied. So instead of writing hypotenuse, we are going to write it as force applied. And once we have written there as force applied, then just shift this one that side. So F cos theta equal to base beta. That's why the baseline is coming as, F cos theta. I hope you might have understood, Darshu. Darshu understood? That's why the baseline is coming as F cos theta. Quickly say, understood or not? Okay. So deal, understood this part? So exactly F cos theta equal to B. F cos theta equal to B. Okay, Darshu? So that's why instead of, because the displacement is in this direction, so it is exactly considered as F cos theta. Fine. Okay, Divya, I am going to move F cos theta. So I didn't solve right now, I am just going to solve it beta. Now look here, work done is equal to, now overall right, work done equal to, just using the formula, I am just going to move. First you note down Fs cos theta. Now work done is 125 joule, force is 25, displacement is 5 root 2, and cos theta is there. So if cos theta is there, so cos theta you shift it, keep cos theta as it is. So it is going to be 125 by 125 root 2, cancel. So cos theta is coming as 1 by root 2, and you know that cos theta equal to 1 by root 2 means cos 45 degree. So theta equal to 45 degree. So those who have given theta as 45 degree, they are absolutely correct. Okay, Ashwin written, everyone, that's why I told you before class that you keep your notebook with you so that you can write the numericals along with formula. I hope you might have understood how to solve these type of questions. Come on, quickly tell me. Quickly tell me you have understood. Understood, yes or no? Okay, ready for next question? Super. Ashwin ready? Divyashri? Understood, Ekta? Divyashri ready? Boys ready? Girls ready? Okay. Ready everyone? Super. Very good. So we are going to go for the next question. A man weighs 70 kg. The weight of a man is 70 kg. A man weighs 70 kg. A man weighs 70 kg. Okay, the weight of the man is how much? 70 kg. Race. Okay, get ready for race then. Super. I am also ready for race today. A man weighs 70 kg, carries a weight of 10 kg. Super. Weight is 70 kg, carrying a weight of 10 kg. Huh? On the top of a tower, on the top of a tower, top of a tower, (100-meter high). On the top of a tower, 100-meter high, calculate the work done by man. Calculate the work done by man. One thing is there, where is Shrutika? 10 meter per second square. G, you has to take Shrutika, Sharmila. Today I am going to take attendance. Let's see, Yogita is there, Shrutika, Sharmila. Last time I am recalling your name. Darshini is there, Divya Shri is there, Aishwarya, Satyashri. Naresh, Shrutika is there, Krisha is there. Super. I called out the name of the children. Kanishka is there. Kanishka, Sharmila, Naresh is here. Okay, fine. Because numerical session, I don't want anyone to miss. Many things are there in numerical session. You have to be very, very active there. Now, come on. Okay, fine. No problem. Jiva present, Lokesh present, Rahul present, Veronisa present. Some children are very, very active, very attentive. I'm thinking about the rest of them today. Where are they? Sharmila, where is Sharmila? Ekta present. Keshav, Vishal, I know they are present. Fine. Start solving this question. Start solving this question fast. Okay. Oh, Sharmila is there. Fine. Come on, start answering this question, beta. Start answering the question. Question is exactly a person is having, see. Darshini, what you said, can you repeat? What is that? In the question, nose is connected to on of the eye. Means, what does that means? I didn't understood. Tell me fast. Nose is connected to on of the eyes means? What does that mean? Darshu, what does that mean? I didn't understood. Fine. Nose is connected to the eyes. Very good. After that also you try. After that also you try. Answer is coming as, overall answer is coming how much, beta? Overall answer is coming. Overall answer, what is the overall answer? You made a small mistake. It's not small, it's blunder. Vishal, I'm not talking about against gravity work. I'm not talking about against gravity work. I'm not going there. I'm asking about another work. And what is the value of cos 90 degree? Cos 90 value is 0. Cos 90 value is 0. Don't think about that. Don't think about that. Here exactly question is something different. If you will be taking it like that, you will not be able to solve the question. Okay. So auntie, what is the value of cos 90? Okay, 0 is coming as answer. No beta, this answer will not be 0. You have to understand the question properly one more time. You need one more time understanding of the question. You need one more time understanding of the question, exactly what the question is telling. Listen to me. A man weighs 70 kg. A man is weighting 70 kgs, carry a weight of 10 kg. So what is the total weight? First find the total weight. Don't Darshani, nose is there in the middle of the line, midpoint is going to the top of the tower. Okay, fine, very good Darshu, smart answer. Okay, 80 kg, yes, very near to answer Keshav, very near. Yes, it is going to be that. Only one small change I think we need to do, if any change is needed. Meter per second square. Now look here, most important thing is the weight of the man is 70 and he is carrying a weight of 10 kg. So what is the total weight? If a man weight is 70 and he is carrying a luggage on his head and that is weighting 10. So what is the total weight which is exactly going up? So what is the total weight? Because based on that only force application will be there. So total weight will be how much? Total weight will be how much? So first we have to understand that frequency part we have to understand, because here we know that frequency, I am saying force part we have to understand. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Okay, force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Now since the body is going up, it is doing a work against gravity, it will be negative, but overall magnitude of force will be positive. Okay, force application will become positive, because here one thing is that the body is exactly, Keshav, 8000 joule of work is against gravity. Yes, you can write the statement like that. Okay, the body is going up or doing work against gravity and that value will be coming. So let's check that one, Keshav. So first we have to find force. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Now what is the mass of the man? The mass of the man is 70 kg. How much weight it is carrying? It is carrying a weight of 10 kg. So what is the total weight of the man along with the luggage? The weight of the man along with the luggage is 70 plus 10. So total weight is coming as 80 kg. Come on, quickly tell me, is it okay? Is it okay? So total weight is exactly going to come as 70 plus 10, that is total 80 kg. So now mass of that person will be exactly what? So kg is coming, so it is going to be, mass is coming as 80, acceleration due to gravity is coming as 10. So it is coming as 800 Newton. Come on, quickly tell me, 800 Newton is coming, directly converting it into 800 Newton. Quickly say, understood till here? 800 Newton is coming. So once 800 Newton is coming, that means what? A person is there and he is exactly carrying a weight of, 10 kg on his head. So that means total weight will become how much? Total in mass we are going to consider that. So it will be coming as 70 plus 10, 80. So force is equal to mass into displacement. How much mass will be there? That much displacement. So for that, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Here acceleration will be vertical. So acceleration due to gravity we are going to apply. Now Keshav, rectification done. Now you understood this point. So it is exactly going to come as 800 Newton. Now you know that work done here, force will be negative because the work is done against against gravity. What happened to me today? The work is done against gravity, so force will be negative, but the thing here is we are considering the magnitude of the force, because here force of application is letting the body go up. So here force into displacement overall you have to write. So force is coming as 800 Newton and displacement is 100. So exactly total answer will be coming 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is exactly going to come as 80,000 joule. It is exactly going to come as 80,000 joule. Now I hope you might have understood how answer is coming as 80,000 joule. Answer came 80,000 joule. Is it tough or easy question? Tough or easy question? Fine. Okay, shall we go for the next question, please? Ready for next question? Easy, Ashwin? Good. I'll go for next question. Yes, Darshu, I will give you one more question of connecting nose to the eyes. Connecting nose to the eyes. You only can answer that type of question. Yes. A coolie lift a box. A coolie lift a box of 15 kg. Okay. From the ground to a height from the ground to a height. Auntie, why is G not negative? Here G is going to be negative. You have to understand one thing. G is going to be negative, Shruti. But beta, since magnitude of force I had to take, so only I considered it as positive. Very good, Darshu. That was the best point you have given. Super. Very, very happy for you. What point you said, I am very happy. Now look here. Shruti, what happened, beta? Did you understood? See, look here. If I am going against gravity, if you are going to throw Khushbu auntie on top, so 100% I will do a work against gravity. So my G value will become negative. So but the force applied to let the body go up, the force applied, understood? The force applied, I am just taking the magnitude of the force. 100% force will be exactly equal to mass into gravity. Since we are doing work against gravity, it will be negative, but we are taking the magnitude, so we are just writing is F is equal to M into G. Many a times, beta, when you will be writing that writing the contents, that time you have to decide, because here we are just simply writing the value there. We are just writing the magnitude. Mass into gravity, we are mass into acceleration due to gravity we are putting, and then just simple displacement means work done. Work done is exactly a scalar quantity. Work done be positive, negative and 0. But the most important thing here is I am taking here the magnitude of the force, which will be considered as positive, and because of that, note, you can write it as C. When you are writing like this answer and finishing that part, okay, Darshu, thank you so much. Really, you are not in mood to study today, na, Darshu? Huh? You are not in mood to study today. Super. Very good. Now listen. So exactly, work done will be yes. Keshav, you distract. Fine. Now listen. So work done will be exactly, so you can write in the final answer that the work done is this much against gravity, or you can write that work is done this much in letting the body go up. So it is self understood that when answer is writing like this, means we are talking about body going up. Fine, we are talking about body going up, that is no problem. We are talking about body going up. So against gravity part will be written. So you can write in the statement part. Okay, fine. Huh? Okay, Kanishka is telling Darshan is in good mood because the exam is over today. Fine. I am also in very good mood today. Super mood today. Now look here, beta. Shall we go back to the question? Your exams are over, so I am very, very happy. Shall we start? A coolie lifts a box of 15 kg from the ground to a height of 2 meter. So now what we are exactly seeing that I discussed one thing na ki when from bottom the person is exactly game mode is on. Okay, from means from the bottom if something is taking towards the top means till then the work will be done, but here if the object is kept at one place, so here it is exactly going to be stationary. Now we are going to understand here is ki now the coolie is exactly lifting a box of 15 kg from the ground to the height of 2 meter. Okay, from down to a height of 2 meter, it is exactly going to take the weight. So a coolie lifts a box of 15 kg from the ground to a height of 2 meter. Calculate work done by the coolie. Calculate work done by the coolie. Calculate work done by the coolie on the box. Calculate work done by the coolie on the box. Okay, take G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. You have to take G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Take G as 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, G as 9.8 meter per second square. Solve this question. Easy question only, beta. Try this question out. Okay, some of you went for playing now. Fine. Now I am going to take attendance again. Wait, I am going to take attendance again. Let's see how many of you are there and how many of you are still in playing mode. After class, after class, after class. Ashwin is still present. Very good. It's really time to check how many are present. For Kanishka, it is buffering. Good, Shiva. Lokesh present. Very good. 3 boys are very, very attentive. Darshani present. Keshav present. Krisha present. Ekta present. Shrutika is present, I know. Keshav, Vishal, I have to check. Answer is 294 Joule. Very good. Kanishka present. Okay, fine. Let's check this one out. Beta, very easy question. Nothing you have to do in this question. Now look here. No big deal here. The most important thing what they have asked in the question. Rahul is also present. Now look here. A coolie lifts a box of 15 kg from the ground to a height of this much. So exactly what is given? Displacement is given as 2 meter. Weight is given, that is mass is coming as 15 kg. Acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. So now these 3 things are given to me. So first work what we are going to do here is, we are just going to write force is equal to mass into acceleration. So when you are writing work done is force is equal to mass into acceleration. So mass is given how much? 15. Acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. So what will be force in Newton? So what small work, this is only going to come. So we are not going to multiply here. Finally, we are going to multiply. We know that work done is equal to force into displacement. Force is 15 into 9.8 and displacement given here is 2. So shall we do one thing? Shall we multiply 15 to 30? 30 into 9.8. So it is going to come as 3 8s are 24, 3 9 27, 28, 29. 394.0 joule. So this much is the work done. Absolute, beta. So this much will be the work done. Okay, very good. So who has given the answer first? It was Correct only. Look, Keshav has given the answer Newton meter. Ekta, Rahul, Ashwin, Kanishka, Shrutika. Yes, Shruti, ask one thing, beta. Ask doubt, beta. Ask Shruti, what is the doubt, beta? What is the doubt? What is the doubt, Shruti? Ask. Okay. Auntie, can you please keep our maths class after 6 p.m.? Okay, you really want to shift the timing for maths class? I was wanting to teach today probability, interesting chapter. Probability question answers today I was really wanting to play with all of you for probability questions. Okay, I didn't, in the first question we used the work is equal to force into displacement cos theta, but in the next question we used, beta, here they have not told that where is the force of application is. We have, when we studied Shruti, at that time beta we understood various type of application of force and the movement of the body. Means the body will have displacement. There they asked, Keshav is correct only. So the most important thing is, in the previous question what they did is they asked the inclination angle first thing, and they were exactly telling that they will tell you beta when the body will be displaced according to the displacement of the body. According to the displacement of the body, you will be on the force application, you will be just getting that formula. Okay, so most probably you know that given vertical displacement will be there and vertical force application will be there, then no need to write the formula. When vertical and horizontal will be there, then we are just directly applying the content. But when force application is like this and then the body displacement is in this direction, that particular time beta we have to be bit careful. Shruti understood, means when it will be forming some inclination angle, that time means force application is inclined and the displacement is going to like this. So if I am going to push force like this and displacement is coming in the forward direction, you take one simple example beta, you take one simple example Shruti, I think it will help you. One toy is there, you understand that one car, take one car. I don't know how to draw a car basically. So this is the car, the toy car. Fine. Now in this toy car, you just you tied the toy car with the thread, and you are exactly applying force in this direction. Force application is in this direction beta, but when you are exactly applying the force in this direction and the car is exactly having movement here, so that particular moment only beta theta inclination will be coming. That time we are writing f cos theta. That time we are writing f cos theta. If you are applying force in this direction and car is coming like this, then it will be coming as f sin theta. F sin theta. Usually in this case f sin theta will not be there, because sin 90 degree sin whatever angle will be coming, it will come in this direction. Keshav, you were playing alone, now cry alone. Okay, fine. Today very interesting and very important chapter I need to discuss in probability. Many aspects of that I really want to discuss, so that only I told you. Fine, you just have to tell me when you want maths class. Okay, 7 o'clock or 7:30 I think class 10th timing is there. 12th I think today I'm not going to keep 12th class because they have exam tomorrow. So 11th class will be there, 10th class will be there, and your one more maths class is there. So it is totally up to you which one you are wishing. I'm going to do that. Fine, which one you are wishing, I'm going to do that. Right after the class, what, Keshav? Okay, vote for now maths class or after? Okay, fine. So that 6 o'clock you'll be free to play. Fine, no problem. Fine. Okay, beta. Okay, everyone understood? Now come on, this concept you have understood or not? First tell me, Shruti. This concept you have understood or not? Then we will go for the next one. This concept you have understood? Okay, fine. I'll start now. As you all wish. So now you understood this concept or not? Shruti, everyone understood this concept? This is exactly I was talking about. Force application, understood? Okay, fine. Shall we go for the next question, please? Calculate the work done in lifting 200 kg. Calculate the work done in lifting 200 kg. Calculate the work done in lifting 200 kg of water. 200 kg of water. 200 kg of water through a vertical height of vertical height of 6 meter. Again, very easy question. You have to take G as 10 meter per second square. Take G as 10 meter per second square and try this question out. Take G as 10 meter per second square and try this question out. Over. Solve it. We'll start maths then. Super, who has given the answer? Work done is 12,000 joule. Keshav has given the answer first. After Keshav, who has given the answer? Ashwin. Okay. Ashwin, Keshav, answer is correct. Tell me quickly. Is it 12,000 joule? Very good. So it is going to be 12,000 joules. Fine. 12,000 joules. Okay. So it is going to be 12,000 joules. Let's take this one out. So Rahul is telling it is 12,000 joules. Okay. Very good, Rahul. Naresh, what is the answer? So look here, beta. Here what you have to do is, you have to just check that calculate the work done in lifting this much kg of water. So 100% again, force is equal to mass into, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Again you have to get force is equal to mass into acceleration. So force is equal to mass given here is 200, accelerations, and there since it is lifting up, so it is going to be, yes beta, against gravity it is exactly going to be doing the work. Very good. So the best way to write like this statement only, so that you can avoid negative content. Now here 10 will be there, so 2000 Newton of force is applied in letting the body go up, Now work done is force into displacement. So work done is 2000 into displacement part is coming 6. So 1, 2, 3 joule of answer is there. Okay, 1, 2, 3 joule of joule answer is there. So work done is 12,000 joule. Work done is coming as 12,000 joule. Work done is coming as 12,000 joule. Yes, I hope you might have understood. Work done is coming as 12,000 joule. Okay, shall we go for next question? Now in this question is really a very important question for you. Now in this question, what is exactly given to you is, today physics class will be 1 hour class. I am already telling you, because numerical questions we are doing, so it will be long time. So calculate the work done in pushing a cart. Calculate the work done in pushing a cart. Calculate the work done in pushing a cart through a distance of through a distance of 50 meter against the force of friction equal to 1250 Newton. Also state the type of work done. This is an open and shut case. Also state the type of work done. Fine. Also state the type of work done. Try this question out. Try this question. It's not a compulsion there. Ekta, it's not a compulsion. I'm just giving questions there for everyone. I'm giving some numerical questions and those questions there, so you can join, you cannot join. It's not a compulsion there. What is the answer? Tell me fast. 62500 Newton meter according to our force work done is positive, according to frictional force work done is negative. Okay, very good. Ma'am, can you post that question for us in the Telegram also, because I don't have Instagram. Okay, no problem. I'm going to post that. Don't worry, I'm going to post that in Instagram. Sorry, whatever, Telegram, Instagram, both in that I'm going to post. Fine. Question answer is coming as negative. See, look here, one very important point to be noted, that frictional force is a negative force. Frictional force is an opposing force. Okay, because friction tries to oppose the motion of a body. If force of application means what? Here one thing is there, that when a body is moving forward, then friction tries to pull the body backward. Okay, so body is trying to go forward, friction is trying to pull, means a tire is moving forward, then friction is exactly, frictional force will be backward, and it is exactly creating a grip. Okay, so so frictional force is a type of opposing force. So when frictional force is given, that means force will be negative. So that's why very cleverly they have asked this question. So now what we are going to do here is, first work is, force is how much given. So now what is given here is, force is given that calculate the work done in pushing a cart through distance of this much. So displacement is given here is 50 meter. So now displacement is given against the force of friction equal to this. So force of friction is minus 1250 Newton. So force of friction is negative. The force of friction is negative, means entire work done will become negative. Entire work done will be negative in the reason because here work is done in letting the body go back, not in front. If they might have asked this, that force is applied to let the body move forward, and exactly displacement is that much. So they didn't talk about frictional force. Then we could have taken frictional force, we could have neglected the frictional force. We have not taken into account the frictional force. But here they are specifically talking about frictional force. That means the opposing work done they are talking about. It If they are not talking about letting the body go forward, they're talking about what is the work is, how much is the work done to letting the or trying to let the body stop, and in that part you are exactly displacing it. So negative type of force, that is beta, it's in simple what we are going to call it as, we are going to call it as frictional force. What we are going to call it as frictional force. So here force cannot be, like you have to understand that here frictional force is a negative force. So overall it will put impact in the work done, the work done will become negative. So we can say that work is equal to force into displacement. So minus 1250 into 50 will be coming 62500 joule of work, but it is exactly minus because here the work is opposing one, here the work is exactly opposing. So work done by frictional force is negative. So here you have to write that ki work done is this much, and negative is indicating that what, here negative sign indicates frictional work, frictional force indicates which force? Frictional force. So here negative sign is purely indicating frictional force. Negative sign is purely indicating which type of force? Frictional force. So now we have finished. I don't know how many questions we have done. I think 4, 5, 6 questions we have done. Okay. Okay, Krisha, here you have to understand, beta, they didn't, Krisha, one work I am going to give you. Now look here, beta. So one toy I kept here. And I am applying a force here, okay, and the body is moving in this direction, okay. When the body is moving this direction, this is the force application. But what will happen? Frictional force is an opposing force. So opposite to this force, another force, frictional force, will be acting. So work done in this direction will be positive, but work done in this direction will be negative. Why? Because this is exactly an opposing force and it is going in opposite direction. Okay, so it is an opposing force. It is what type of force? It is an opposing force. I hope you might have understood, beta. Krisha understood, it is an opposing force, beta. So frictional force, when you will be writing, then whenever you will write answer for frictional force, work done will be negative. Whenever you will write for what you called the force which is applied to move that or take the body forward, will be exactly positive work done. Krisha understood? Everyone quickly tell me understood? Okay, so I am going to keep a 5 minutes break and then I am going to start. Only 5 minutes, huh?